Hello everyone! Welcome to GoLogica. In this video, we will explore the CCNA Training Roadmap, designed for beginners, students, and IT professionals looking to become certified network engineers. Let's move step by step and make your CCNA journey simple. Roadmap. About the course, networking basics, key modules, network devices and Cisco hardware, switching and routing concepts, roles, responsibilities, and salaries. Training program about the course. The CCNA training course is designed to help learners build a strong foundation in computer networking and prepare for the globally recognized Cisco CCNA certification. This course covers all essential networking concepts, including IP addressing, subnetting, routing, switching, VLANs, network security, automation, and troubleshooting. It explains how devices like routers, switches, servers, and end-user systems communicate within a network and across the internet. Learners get hands-on experience through labs, Cisco device simulations, and real-time case studies. You will practice configuring routers and switches, creating VLANs, setting up OSPF routing, managing IP services, and resolving common network issues. The course also focuses on modern enterprise networking, helping you understand how networks operate in real business environments. Whether you are a beginner or looking to upgrade your skills, CCNA training provides the knowledge and practical exposure needed to start a career in networking. By the end of the course, you will be confident in building, managing, and securing networks and fully prepared to clear the CCNA certification exam. Build strong skills in networking basics. Networking basics form the foundation of the CCNA course. In this section, you will learn what a computer network is and how devices share information with each other. We start with the OSI and TCP IP models, which explain how data travels in layers. For example, when you send a WhatsApp message, it passes through physical, network, and transport layers before reaching your friend's phone. You will also learn about IP addressing, subnetting, MAC addresses, and protocols such as TCP, UDP, and ICMP. Concepts like LAN, WAN, and wireless networks are covered with easy examples, for instance, how your home Wi-Fi is a LAN, while the internet is a global WAN. By mastering networking basics, you will understand how data flows, how networks are designed, and how different components work together. Explore the key CCNA modules. The CCNA training program covers several key modules designed to build a strong foundation in networking and prepare you for real-world IT environments. The first major module is Networking Fundamentals, where you learn about IP addressing, subnetting, OSI, and TCP IP models, and how data flows across a network. This forms the base for understanding all other networking concepts. Next, the Network Access module focuses on switching technologies. Here you study VLANs, trunking, STP, Ether channel, and how switches manage traffic within a LAN. The IP connectivity module teaches routing concepts such as static routing, default routes, and dynamic routing using OSPF, helping you understand how traffic moves between networks. In the IP services module, you explore essential services like DHCP, NAT, DNS, SNMP, syslog, and QoS, all of which ensure smooth network operations. The Security Fundamentals section introduces access control lists, device security, and basic network protection techniques. Another important module is Automation and Programmability, where you learn the basics of network automation, APIs, and modern tools that help streamline configurations. Together, these modules make CCNA a complete job-ready training program that prepares you for multiple networking roles in the industry. Understand the tools of network devices and Cisco hardware. In this module, we explore the essential devices that make networks function. You will learn about routers, switches, access points, firewalls, and servers. For example, a router connects your home network to the internet, while a switch connects multiple devices within the same network. We also discuss Cisco hardware, which is widely used in companies across the world. You will get hands-on practice with Cisco routers and switches using iOS commands. Real-world examples include configuring a Cisco switch to create VLANs for separating departments or setting up a router to forward traffic between networks. You will also understand the physical components such as Ethernet ports, SFP modules, console cables, and rack-mounted devices. This practical knowledge is essential for anyone planning to work in enterprise networking or data center environments. Advance your skills with switching and routing concepts. Switching and routing are two of the most important skills every network engineer must master. In this part of the course, you will learn how switches divide a network into segments using VLANs, and how routing enables communication between different networks. For example, you might create VLAN 10 for the HR department and VLAN 20 for the finance department, then use a router or a layer 3 switch to allow controlled communication between them. You will also explore key switching concepts such as trunking, which carries multiple VLANs over a single link, and STP, spanning tree protocol, which prevents network loops and ensures stable connectivity. In routing, the course covers both static routes and dynamic routing protocols like OSPF. OSPF automatically selects the best path for data and updates neighboring routers when a link fails, keeping the network stable and efficient. By understanding these concepts, you will be able to design and manage networks that are fast, reliable, and highly optimized. Build your career in CCNA roles, responsibilities, and salaries. After completing your CCNA certification, you can explore several entry-level roles in the networking field. Popular job positions include network engineer, network administrator, NOC engineer, technical support engineer, and IT infrastructure associate. In these roles, your responsibilities may involve configuring routers and switches, monitoring network performance, solving connectivity issues, and maintaining network security. For example, as a NOC engineer, you may respond to real-time alerts when a server or router stops working. As a network engineer, you might design VLANs for different departments or configure routing between branch offices. These tasks help ensure smooth communication and reliable network operations within an organization. In the United States, salaries for CCNA certified professionals are significantly higher due to strong demand for networking skills. Entry-level positions typically offer salaries ranging from $55,000 to $75,000 per year for freshers, depending on the company and location. With a few years of experience and additional certifications, such as CCNP or CCIE, earning potential increases substantially. Mid-level networking professionals often make $90,000 to $120,000 per year, while senior engineers and specialists can earn $130,000 to $160,000 or more annually. Become a job-ready CCNA training program overview. GoLogica offers a complete CCNA training program designed to help you build strong, job-ready skills in computer networking. The course covers all essential CCNA topics, including networking fundamentals, IP addressing, subnetting, routing, switching, VLANs, OSPF, NAT, DHCP, DNS, security basics, and network automation. You will also learn how modern networks operate in real-time environments. Throughout the training, you gain hands-on experience working with Cisco routers and switches through labs, simulations, and guided exercises. You will practice configuring VLANs, setting up routing protocols, troubleshooting connectivity issues, and securing network devices. The curriculum also focuses on real-world scenarios such as branch connectivity, enterprise LAN design, and network monitoring. In addition to technical skills, you receive support with exam preparation, study materials, recorded sessions, and expert guidance. Real-time examples and case studies help you understand how networks function inside organizations. Upon completion, you will be fully prepared for the Cisco CCNA certification and ready for roles such as network engineer, NOC engineer, technical support associate, or network administrator. GoLogica CCNA training ensures you gain both confidence and practical expertise for today's IT networking environments.